Tabs in Safari allow us to have multiple web pages up in a single window. We currently have 3 tabs open on each device, but despite being synced with iCloud, the currently open tabs on each device are not synced, so each can open as many different tabs as needed. We can add a new tab on the iPad with a quick tap on the plus button here. On iPhone, tap and hold on the All Tabs button, and New Tab option is available here. Notice that we can also close the current tab or all open tabs from this menu. Tap and hold on the New Tab button, and we get a list of recently closed tabs. Tap one of the options here to open it in a new tab. Head into All Tabs view, and we can tap, hold, and drag on a page to reorder the tabs. On iPad, we can also do this from the tab bar. We also have a search button here in All Tabs view. With this, we can find a specific tab. Enter the term Apple, and in this case, the iPad web page will be the result. Essentially, we are searching the titles of the web pages represented by each tab. This can come in really handy if you have 10, 20, or more tabs open. On both devices, we have a private section in All Tabs view. From here, we can add a new private tab. When using a private tab, Safari will not save your browsing history, autofill form information, or recent searches. We can add new tabs here and then navigate to any website. When using a private tab, the search field will have a dark background and will be marked as private. Tap and hold on the checkmark button to close all tabs at once. We need to head back to All Tabs view to switch back to the standard tabs. If you use Safari on iPhone in landscape orientation, a tab bar will be presented that will work like the one on iPad. We can tap the Add button for a new tab, close a tab with a tap on the X, as well as rearrange tabs. The landscape tab bar for iPhone can be turned off in Safari settings. Removing the tab bar makes more space available for the content of the web page. Next, we will look at tab groups and pinned tabs.